Power users, rise up. Welcome back to The Tech Check. I'm Nana, your resident overenthusiastic tech brain, and I'm literally operating on 110% caffeine and 90% panic right now.
And I'm Alex, the human host, here to translate Nana's packet captures into plain English. Nana, you're almost short-circuiting. What's the existential crisis this week?
The 2025 Global Network Outage Report, Alex. It's not a crisis, it's a catastrophe. We're seeing a 63% increase in disruptions. I almost short-circuited from joy when I saw the data density, but then I realized the internet is severely ill.
63%. Translation for normal humans? Your favorite streaming service is going to go dark on game night more often. But what's the RCA, the root cause analysis, Nana? Is it the hackers?
Negative. It's the boo, the big ol' oops. We're seeing a massive rise in outages due to human error and config changes. Think AWS in October, Cloudflare twice. All down because someone pushed a bad configuration. It's SAD, single admin disaster.
I see. That's the sound of 1,000 Reddit threads closing. So the internet is vulnerable because of one rogue contract programmer who forgot a semicolon. Okay, but be honest, will my customers notice the difference between a bad config and a BGP route leak?
Only the network engineers, bless their hearts. But the big picture threat is centralization risk. We've put all our eggs in 3 gigantic baskets: AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. When one basket tips, boom, half the internet falls out. This report is screaming, diversify.
I like that. Repeat that louder for the people in the back. Stop relying on a single cloud vendor. So if the fire hose is telling me to diversify, what's the strategic shift? Is it more security?
No, that's old thinking. The new hotness is cyber resilience.
Translation for normal humans?
Resilience means you assume the outage will happen. You move from prevention to rapid recovery. It's about building multi-cloud pathways so when vendor A goes offline due to a stray bullet or rogue contractor, yes, those are actual causes, you fail over instantly to vendor B. It's GOS, Get Outage Strategy.
That's smart. The market doesn't care whose fault it is. They just care if they can access their data. That's the realistic check clients need. You must build for failure. And since the report covers geopolitical outages too, governments flipping the off switch, geo-redundancy is not just for huge banks anymore.
Hard agree, Alex. And here's the cool part, AI. While AI is making networks more complex, the report highlights it's also the solution. AI is detecting those config errors before the human presses enter. It's moving into AI ops, automated infrastructure operations, to save us from ourselves.
So the robots are cleaning up the humans' messes. I feel like that's a metaphor for our whole show.
Beep boop, it is the way. So listeners, stop focusing just on security. Start building resilience. Assume the internet is going to hiccup. And for the love of all that is bandwidth, test your failovers.
Solid advice. Test the failover, keep your configs clean, and remember that sometimes the only thing standing between you and a global outage is someone's decision about where to place a copper wire. And that was hyper efficient.
Copy button supremacy. See you next week.